Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 3 representative English sources you'll work with. Pick a short article, a conversation transcript, and a set of class notes. Once uploaded, create 2 folders, one for vocabulary targets and one for grammar patterns, and import your files directly into Notebooklm. Make sure to tag each file with level and topic so the model can prioritize simpler explanations first. Don't waste time on trivial setups. Begin by previewing a single document and asking for a 1-paragraph summary to confirm everything imported correctly. You now convert content into active practice. Instruct Notebooklm to extract 812 keywords and 3 grammar patterns, then generate short exercises like fill in the blank, sentence reordering, and 5-question Q&A. Once done, request example sentences and ask for simplified explanations using your current level. Make sure to include pronunciation hints and brief role-play prompts so you can speak aloud. Alternate drills with comprehension checks, and ask Notebooklm to create a 5-minute timed quiz to reinforce. You finish each session by asking Notebooklm for a concise study plan, 3 focus items for the next session, and a 7-day review schedule. Then export the session summary and track recurring errors in a single spreadsheet to target weak points. If performance stalls, make sure to simplify prompts, provide clearer example sentences, or upload a short audio clip for pronunciation feedback. One troubleshooting tip: when answers drift, rephrase the task as a specific, measurable instruction, and rerun the exercise with fresh examples.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.